Hi, I'm Anita from Crafts by Anita, and welcome to episode 41 of Anita's vlog. If you could be so kind to like, share, subscribe, join the Discord, link to that is in the description below. And if you would like to purchase handmade items by myself, made by me, all by myself, you can do so at craftsbyanita.com. My hair is an absolute mess today. Anyway, so yeah, I'm starting the vlog on Saturday. Oops. I've been busy trying to finish this asymmetrical dress over here. In fact, I had all the blocks stitched together and then I put it on. I was going to check how to do the closure and then I noticed something. There were some like points poking out and I'm like, how did that happen? I don't know. So I had to undo all of that. And then I like looked at the pictures of the one that I'm basing it off of, and I added one extra panel in the center that I didn't need to. So right now, you can't try to grab it. Oh, good Lord. I don't have enough space. Oops. Okay, let's just fling crochet hooks everywhere. Where's the top? Okay, so where's the top? So I got the top right here. And I still have two to put on, as you can see by the what are these stitch markers, one on each side, and I've only got two of those skeins left of this and some various smaller skeins, so I have to make a decision because I know if I attach it like this and then I try to attach it again to where the hell is it? I can't hold it. To this end, I'm going to end up with the same problem I had the last time, which would be a point, or maybe not. I don't know. Let me see. Yeah, there would definitely be like, I don't know, this point sticking out, and that's totally what I don't want. So I'm just going to go across where I've got them connected at the moment and then check it from there. And if I have to, like I said, I've only got two skeins of this left and various partial skeins. So I don't know. I don't know if I need to, if I'm going to make another one for the backs. I don't know. I'll have to figure that out. Right now, I don't feel like hand stitching at the moment. So this is going to get put away back over on the desk. And I've lost crochet hooks onto the floor here. And there's one. I know there's a second one somewhere. Can't reach. Can't reach. Oh, no, it didn't fly out. One only flung out. The other one's still in the container. All right. So that's going to get taken care of eventually. So I've also made some progress on my skirt over here, albeit not a lot of progress. There's a couple more rounds added to it. Ugh, like, yeah, this is the wrong side out, but whatever. Basically, it's getting there. It's 209 stitches around, 209 double crochets around. Hopefully it's still 209 double crochets around. If I should have just done it back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, and then seamed it down the side, which would have been so much easier than going around and around and around. Would have been a lot. It would have been better. But anyway, that's that over there. I've also, it's like on Pinterest, I have a secret board that I've been placing these, like, you know, you troll around Pinterest and you're looking for like crocheted or knit items or whatnot, and then you run across all these stupid, ridiculous AI ones, and you can tell they're absolutely AI because one, it doesn't look right, stitches don't make any sense, the way it's constructed doesn't make any sense, and if it's like a model in front of a mirror, they're not doing the same thing. And I've run across that too. But a lot of the ones that are on there are absolutely, you can actually make. So I've got one saved off and I'm going to start a series on that tonight. I'll drop my other thing. So I've already done some testing to pick the size hook that I'm using. So I've got like Varsity Yellow right here. And then this is Cerulean Blue. This is off that jacket that I frogged back that I didn't like because it turned out ridiculous. So I have 2 cakes of that. I've got 2 cakes of this Varsity Yellow. And if I happen to run out, I have light blue and a cake of gray that I used on the crochet temperature blanket. Because I think it's going to take 98 squares. It's a 3-round granny. 2 rounds of yellow, 1 round of this, which I will do with the other ones. It's just I have 2 of these, and I will just work it until I run out, because I really don't want to purchase any more yarn right now because I can't. Which leads me to the other thing. I have a surgery date. It is March 12th. I have to be there, check in at 5:30 a.m. And that surgery is going to take all day. Because 3 surgeons, separate times, they're all going to come in and do whatever at their specific time. So I'm just like, all right, this is fantastic. And also, they just don't give a crap to fill out the paperwork that I need for my work leave in order for me to get paid. And I'm not just sitting on my butt. I was like, if I didn't have this condition, I would be working. I would be at work right now because it's Saturday. You know, it's like I'm not doing this because I don't want to work. I'm doing this because I physically can't work. I can't walk very well without assistance. And it's like I have bills to pay. And it's like, come on, you guys need to fill this crap out. Trying to get a primary care provider. They don't have appointments until like April. So it's like, yeah, you want to just call in every other day, see if somebody's canceled their appointment. And you can slide into that slot. And I'm like, it takes forever to get a doctor's appointment. Nobody's going to cancel their appointment when they have to wait a month out to get the damn thing. It's ridiculous. So I'm kind of screwed. I have to wait on certain things to get done. And I'm like kind of stuck. Basically at the mercy of other people, which is annoying to say the least. I have bills I need to pay. I mean, I could pay some of them, but things like my mortgage and the HOA fee, I have to pay with a different thing instead of my normal accounts. But anyway, so I'm going to do this. I don't feel like hand stitching. I've been hand stitching for the last couple of days, and I'm just like over it. It's just like, and it's just like this. It's like it's in the round, and I'm just like, so basically just doing this. I've got an empty, if I can pick it up, I have an empty basket I could stick these into that are just going to set here on the floor under the desk so it's not at my feet, so I'm not tripping over it or smacking my toes on it, because no, that hurts. So I'm going to start that series, and then I'm going to like vlog today, tomorrow, and then get this uploaded for Monday. Oh, wait, I've got things I got to do on Monday. I've got so many things to do. I have to get a bunch of tests done, and I don't need an appointment to do those. I got to get blood work, urinalysis tests, chest x-ray, there was something else. I can't remember what it is. And then another test I have to wait to do 2 weeks before the surgery. So I can't do it this week. I have to do it next week. So it's like my daughter's going to take me sometime on Monday. And it's like I just hope I can just get all of this done within a little short amount of time. So I can have that done and finished and just have the one test I need to do. And then I got a pre-op appointment, which is March 5th. Which is a week before my surgery. So I have to get all this crap taken care of before then. Which is, so much fun. It's like, I don't know. Couldn't they have just done all this crap while I was at my appointment? Like 2 weeks ago? You know? Would have been nice. It's like, how hard would it be to take blood work, do a urine test, chest x-ray, whatever. Now I have to do it on my own time, which sucks. And if I could just drive myself, I would have done it already. But I can't, so I have to wait on other people to be available, which my oldest daughter will be available on Monday, and we can't really do it on a Sunday because I don't think anything's open. I don't know. But I can just go to the hospital, get it taken care of, and then just be out of there in like hopefully an hour or two. I don't want to be stuck there all freaking day waiting on this crap to get done. I could check it off and it could go into my file so there's no confusion on any of that. I've got to get that done on Monday. But I'll have this edited and uploaded tomorrow to come out on Monday. So that's how that's going to work. So I'm going to sit here and I'm going to start this other video. I don't know when that one's going to come out. Just basically going to make a bunch of like just regular granny squares. Don't know how many I can get done today. It's already like almost 3 o'clock in the afternoon because I was just like lazy today. I slept in a little bit too much. Because, well, I haven't been sleeping well. Trying to get to sleep, it's just a pain in the butt. Or trying to get myself to go to bed. Because I'm stubborn and I won't go to bed. I have to start going to bed sooner because I have things I got to get up and do early in the morning. So, anywho, I'm going to pause this for right now, and I will be back shortly. If I can get to my mouse. I got yarn. There's so much yarn over here. So, yeah, not a lot of progress since I last filmed or whatever. My wrist is killing me. That's why my hair's down. I'm not putting my hair tie in just yet because wrist hurts. So, I didn't get very far on this. Still on the second ball of this yarn. It's going slow. I think it's 209 stitches. I don't know. I tried counting and then I lost count. Oops. I haven't decided to like try to count again, so I'm just like, whatever. It's just a skirt for me just to wear whenever I want. So I just need to make it long enough, and that's all I have to do with that. I did start another project for another series. I don't know when that one's going to come out. I just started it, and it's going to take a hot minute to do what I need to do for it. So that's basically been about it. I haven't really, other than this stupid thing, the asymmetrical wrap dress. I did put the other two panels on, but I put them in the wrong spot, so I'm going to they're on the two front pieces, and I tried it on, and I'm like, I don't like this because the back has nothing, so I'm just going to move those two panels to the back and then be done with it, because that's just like, that's the third time I've like sewn those panels on, and I'm just like, ugh. I'm just over it. So that will get done eventually when I feel like taking those panels off and then moving them to the back. Hey, that's what happens. You do things and doesn't work out, so you find some other way to do it, which is what I'm doing eventually. I'm not doing it today. I'm too busy today. I've got to get all of these medical tests done, and I'm like, couldn't they just like schedule it and I just come in and do it? I didn't need to make an appointment for any of them, so I'm just gonna go in, get it done, and come home. And I'll leave here in about an hour and a half or so. Whenever my daughter comes to pick me up is when we're gonna go and get it done. Hopefully I won't have any issues. They said, my paperwork says, I do not need an appointment. I can just stroll on in, get these tests done, and then stroll on out. Today also happens to be, I think, President's Day, so it's Monday, the 16th of February. So I don't think it would have any impact on having any kind of things like that, just like banks and mail and all that fun stuff. Any federal buildings should be shut today. So hopefully I can get this done and be over it have it done and over with. Because do I have a fuzzy? I do. This is why I don't wear my hair down. Fuzz. Anyway, I shall end this vlog for right now because I need to get it edited and uploaded and ready to go in about an hour or so. Whenever I decide to send it up. So I shall see you all in the next video. Bye for now.